Hi everybody, hope you are all doing well and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video agenda is we will see how we can create Azure app and then we will give the API permission for Dynamics 365 Business Central, and there would be little changes in manifest file, JSON based, and what is the endpoint to access token, and then we will try to test through the Postman. S- So let's see how we can achieve this. Well, this is the Azure portal, and you need to search application app registration or application registration already there. Go and register new app, give any name whatever you want. Mm, just video. Uh, okay, this who can use this application or access these APIs? In our case, we are going to have only the single tenant, not multi-tenant or any other. Um, Keep this single for the test purpose. In other videos, maybe we will discuss the multi-tenant because we need to have a different access permission access level. Uh, Leave this redirection URI as it blank as it's optional, and then register. Uh, Application is created. No, keep this client ID or application ID save somewhere in Notepad. Okay, I'm going to save. Then the tenant ID also required for the future use. You can copy and save somewhere. And the endpoint. There are a number of endpoint, but we are going to play with the first one. Okay. And then we need to create the client secret. Click the certificate and secrets, and then new client secret. Okay, give any name or the description like Business Central videos, and keep the expiry. The maximum expiry is 24 months. I'm going to keep 3 months after 3 months. If I need to use this app, then I need to create the new client secret. Add. Okay, keep this value, save somewhere. Then the next is API permission. Add the permission and search here somewhere the Business Central or whatever the application you are going to communicate through APIs. You need to search, in our case, the Business Central. Select this and go with the application permissions, not delegated permissions. And API write and read full access. Okay, add permission. And no, you need to select this one and give the admin consent. Okay, admin consent. Okay, granted. Okay, now go to manifest and find some O data allowed. Give these three option true. Okay, I always keep three true, but you can test one by one, and maybe in the next video we can discuss what are they. Okay, no, our application is completed. Now we need to test the endpoint and these secrets and client ID in Postman. Let's jump to the Postman. Well, this is Postman, and I copied the URL, uh, the endpoint. That was basically authorization URL. That was my mistake, but this one. But we need token based URL or endpoint. So please keep this in mind that your last uh, part of the URL must be the token, not authorization. Okay. Then the request must be the post. Okay, and the body uh, AWW form. Okay, and these are the keys. The client secret. Okay, that is the client secret that we copied from the app. Client ID or application ID that we are also copied, and the scope in the business central. If we need to access APIs of business central cloud based, then we need to have this scope, and the grant uh, type should be client credentials. Okay, these four um, values must be there in body. Okay, not a form body. Remember this one, xww. Okay, and send. And here you can see there is a access token. Okay, that we can use. It will be expire in the seconds. In the minutes, it's the minutes, and the type of the token is a barrier. Okay, in our next video we will uh, use this access token to communicate with the business central. Okay, hope you enjoyed.